Scaling your campaigns across all the devices that are now available can be a pretty tedious job. But what's in is Automagical creative. Arthur C. Clarke had a great quote: "Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic." And that's really what we're talking about here. We're talking about technological firepower that you could aim at this tedium. We're talking about using tools so you don't have to go through the laborious work of thinking about how do I create all these different formats to run on all these different size screens. We really can help that web design intern and help you focus on storytelling.
And we know that just as creatives were getting comfortable with other screens, then the screen keeps getting smaller. So going from the desktop to the laptop, and now with the tablets and the phone, it's much smaller. But we think that we can actually expand the creative without growing the ad format footprint. So with simpler tools, it actually makes it much easier for the agency to stick with storytelling and instead of the mechanics.
Yes, that's absolutely right. And I'm really excited about a suite of tools that we're introducing, really to help overhaul what can be a pretty painful process. So starting on the left, for Pro Tool users, if you're a DoubleClick Studio user, we've got this great feature called Studio Layouts. You choose a layout, you upload your creative assets, and then you publish. This simplifies the process, it ensures quality, and all the rich media metrics are already baked in. What we've found is that this can diminish rich media production times by 80%. So it really enables you the time to focus on your creative storytelling and let the technology do the heavy lifting. The second tool I want to introduce is in a public beta. Really excited about it. It's called Google Web Designer. And it's a free, pro-quality HTML5 and CSS design tool that also has open access to the backend code for full control. With this tool, you could build once, run anywhere, across all devices.
Brad, we think this is pretty exciting because this is the opportunity to create something that's automagical around rich media formats. And as we know, this will be immensely helpful to the brand advertisers as we see rich media growing 150% over the next 4 years.
And even though rich media is great, it is still too complex for some buyers and some advertisers. And so I'm really excited to announce AdWords Ready Creative. It's a new creative ad gallery with pre-built rich media ad templates that you could choose from. And here is where the magic comes in. Let me show you a demo. You can simply type in your website URL, click a button, and in a few seconds, we will have automatically created a set of professional-looking rich media ads for you using the creative assets that already exist on your website across all the IAB ad sizes and HTML5 for mobile. So we're really simplifying the creative process so all you advertisers in the room can focus on delivering amazing stories and experiences.